9 natural cheat codes to a healthier brain and fight inflammation. What if Big Pharma doesn't want you discovering these cheap, powerful solutions? It's time to unlock the truth. Get ready to discover 9 natural cheat codes that help reduce inflammation and restore your brain health. This isn't just information. This is your blueprint for transformation. Hit that like button, subscribe to Health Action, and let's start unlocking a healthier, sharper you together. Most people have no idea this is happening. Their immune system is stuck in overdrive, silently attacking healthy tissues. Chronic inflammation is literally eating your brain alive. It's not a quick injury response. It's a constant low-grade fire burning within you, impacting everything from your memory to your mood. But you have the power to put it out. Let's talk 9. Natural cheat codes to a healthier brain. Cold therapy, the refresh button. Imagine giving your body an instant refresh, a powerful jolt that immediately starts working to calm inflammation and boost your health. That's exactly what cold therapy can do, and it's surprisingly simple to incorporate into your daily routine. It's not just about enduring the chill. There's a fascinating biological process at play. When you expose yourself to cold water, even for just 30 to 90 seconds daily, your blood vessels react immediately. They constrict tightly, pushing blood away from your extremities and towards your core. But here's where the magic happens. Once you step out of the cold, those vessels rapidly dilate, rushing fresh, oxygenated blood back through your system. This powerful pump actively flushes out inflammatory chemicals and metabolic waste that can build up in your tissues. Think of it like a natural detox for your circulatory system. This rapid constriction and dilation isn't just a theory, it's measurable. Studies have shown that consistent cold exposure can slash inflammatory markers by a whopping 15%. That's a significant reduction achieved with just a quick, invigorating shock. It's why so many health enthusiasts, including myself, make it a non-negotiable part of their day. I literally finish every single shower on cold. And the benefits extend beyond just inflammation. Cold therapy can also prime your immune system. One study even revealed a remarkable 29% fewer sick days among individuals who regularly embraced daily cold exposure. It's a quick shock that delivers big, tangible benefits, making you feel more alert, energized, and resilient. Ready to give your body this powerful refresh? When it comes to dousing the flames of inflammation in your brain, omega-3s are truly your ultimate fire extinguisher. These essential fatty acids, particularly eicosapentaenoic acid and docosahexaenoic acid, found abundantly in fatty fish, play a critical role in calming your body's inflammatory responses. Here's how they work their magic. Omega-3s don't just reduce inflammation, they help resolve it at a cellular level. They do this by being converted into specialized compounds called resolvins and protectins. Think of these as tiny Pac-Men that actively clear up the inflammatory mess in your body. This powerful anti-inflammatory action means they can significantly reduce inflammatory cytokines, the signals that tell your immune system to be on high alert, by up to 30% in just 8 weeks. This is especially critical for brain health, as chronic brain inflammation is linked to various cognitive issues. While both EPA and DHA are vital, they often have slightly different roles. For reducing overall inflammation in the body and brain, research suggests that a higher EPA ratio can be particularly effective. EPA is more adept at producing those potent anti-inflammatory molecules. DHA, on the other hand, is a major structural component of your brain and eyes, crucial for optimal cognitive function and vision. For general health, a balanced intake of both is beneficial, but if inflammation is your primary concern, leaning towards a higher EPA content in your fish oil supplement could be a smart move. Since most people don't consistently eat enough fatty fish, like salmon, mackerel, or sardines, twice a week, smart supplementation becomes crucial. When choosing an omega-3 fish oil, look for a premium product that specifies its EPA and DHA content. Prioritize quality to ensure you're getting the potent fire extinguisher your brain and body truly deserve. Heal your gut, the brain-gut connection. This is absolutely crucial, and it's a game changer for your brain health. Your gut directly controls your brain's inflammation. Mind-blowing, right? Here's the deal. A massive 70% of your entire immune system lives in your gut, teeming with trillions of tiny residents, your gut bacteria. When these residents are happy and balanced, they help keep your immune system calm and focused on what it should be doing. But when your gut bacteria are out of whack, that balance is gone. Your immune system can go into overdrive, sending inflammatory signals that don't just stay in your gut, they travel straight to your brain. This means a stressed gut can literally cause a stressed, inflamed brain. That clear feeling some people get after changing their diet. That's not just in their heads. It's pure biology at work. It's your body responding as you heal that vital gut-brain connection. So, how do you heal your gut and calm that brain fire? These are packed with beneficial bacteria, probiotics, that help restore balance to your gut microbiome. Think yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, or kombucha. Boost your fiber intake. Fiber is like superfood for your good gut bacteria. It helps them thrive and produce compounds that reduce inflammation. Pile on the fruits, vegetables, legumes, like beans and lentils, and whole grains. This means cutting back on the junk. Highly processed foods and excessive sugar can starve your good gut bacteria and fuel inflammation. Focus on fresh, whole ingredients to nourish your entire system. By being mindful of what you feed your gut, you're not just supporting digestion, you're sending powerful calm-down signals to your brain, boosting immunity, lifting your mood, and giving you consistent energy. It's truly a foundational step for overall well-being. Manage stress. Your thoughts are powerful medicine. Did you know that stress creates the exact same inflammation as junk food? A bad day at work can trigger identical inflammatory markers as eating fast food. Your thoughts are literally toxic when they're chronically negative, but you can flip the switch. Lowering your cortisol with an adaptogen like ashwagandha and practicing daily breathing exercises can reverse this damaging pattern. Take control of your mind. Take control of your inflammation. Fix your sleep. Non-negotiable brain repair. Listen up. Fix your sleep or forget the rest. Less than 7 hours of quality sleep doesn't just make you tired. It activates your brain's immune cells incorrectly. Instead of cleaning up debris, they start attacking healthy tissue. Poor sleep makes you 30% more inflammatory the very next day. Prioritize those Z's. Your brain depends on it. Meditate. Calm the chaos. Chronic stress floods your brain with cortisol, constantly triggering inflammation. I've been meditating for over a decade, and it completely changed my life. It's not just about relaxation. Meditation has a profound physiological impact. Studies show that daily meditation can reduce inflammatory markers by 15 to 20% in just 8 days. Aim for 20 minutes daily if you can, to truly calm the chaos. Lion's mane. Grow new brain cells. This is mind-blowing. Most compounds protect existing neurons. But lion's mane mushroom does something truly unique. It grows new ones. It stimulates nerve growth factor, NGF, which actively helps rebuild damaged pathways and dramatically improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. It literally has the potential to reverse brain damage. Movement is powerful anti-inflammatory medicine, but not in the way you might think. It's not just about burning calories. It's about moving inflammatory fluid through your lymphatic system, which acts like your body's internal drainage system. When you move with intention, you help this system flush out toxins and reduce swelling. My go-to is an asana, yoga class. Find what works for you and move your body. Vagus nerve, your body's calm down. Switch. Here's a secret weapon. Your vagus nerve directly controls your brain's inflammatory response. When activated, it sends calm down signals to your brain's immune cells. How do you activate it? Simple things like deep breathing, humming, and cold exposure. Hello, cheat code number 1. All stimulate this powerful nerve. Learn to tap into this innate calming system. You don't need perfect habits. What you need are consistent systems. Because chronic inflammation isn't about one bad day. It's about patterns that compound over time. Start with just 2 of these habits. Keep adding more each week as you build momentum. Create daily rituals for yourself.